How's it going, guys? Mason with Colton RV here. Today I'm going to be taking you around the 2021 Primetime Sanibel 3102. This is part of our buy now, camp now deals that we're doing, where if you want to come in, buy a camper and take it home today, this Sanibel can be yours. It's got tons and tons of features on it. It's going to be a great experience, guys. First thing we're going to start with is actually going to be some of the storage that you'll have on the front end of this. So you'll have a big large storage compartment in the front. Can fit tons of things, grills, folding tables, chairs. And if that's not enough space for you, we do have a ton more on the side of this as well. As you come around, you're going to notice you'll have some tie-offs on it in case you have pets or kids that like to run away. Either one, you can tie them off. You are going to have a large pass-through storage on this as well. So again, tons of tables, chairs, camping grills, outdoor mats, anything you plan on bringing with you, fishing poles, they can all fit inside here. You are going to notice that you have two awnings on this. You're going to have one in the main camping space here. You'll have the same thing on the slide box. So you're going to have tons and tons of room underneath the awnings. Help keep you dry on rainy, cloudy days, kind of like today here. As we head around to the back side of this, you'll notice it's a very large slide box. When we get on the inside, you'll see why. As we come around the back side, you are going to have the spare tire on this. It's made out of styrofoam. Don't try and use it. I'm just kidding, guys. It's a real spare tire. You'll have the ladder to access the roof on this as well, and you'll also have a back bumper. This is going to be a great storage spot for a sewer hose. This coach is going to be a 50 amp service. I apologize, actually I believe nope, it is a 50 amp service. So you have 50 amps on this. You can run everything off of 30 if you choose to. Again, an opposing slide box on this. What that means is you're going to have a large living space inside this floor plan. It's really going to open everything up for you. You are going to have all your sewage dumps underneath this slide box, so when it's inside and you're getting ready to leave the campsite, it's quick and easy. You can dump everything out. You're going to have furnace exhaust, hot water tank, and the other side of your large pass-through storage on this as well. They make everything nice and convenient. Your water hookups, your hot water tank bypasses, everything is going to be right inside here, quick and easy, so it's no more struggling on some older fifth wheels. This is going to have a 6-point leveling system on it. Yep, you heard that right, 6-point leveling system, not 4. So you're going to have 2 stabilizer jacks or leveling jacks behind the axles. You'll have 2 in the front, and then you'll have your landing gear in the very front on this as well. It's got an auto leveling system on it, so that way you can actually just hit the auto level button, it'll level itself off for you, nothing you have to play and fight with. One of the really cool features about this is what's called a wide body. What the wide body means is it's a true 101 inches wide, which allows for more living space inside there, gives it a little bit more of a solid frame, lower center of gravity, so that when you're towing it, you have a much better towing experience as well. As you can see, you have nice docking lights on the front of it, so people can be terrified of you when you come down the road. They'll see these big lights and get out of your way. All right, guys, now let's head inside. As we come up this way, pop the door open, you'll notice you have solid entry steps on this. Makes for a nice stable walk right inside the camper. Whether you have young ones or older grandparents coming with you that want to head inside, you have a nice large foam grab handle on this. Solid entry step, makes things a lot more stable. All right, now we're inside, guys. You can see you'll have a nice large table here with 4 seats to sit at when you're having lunch, breakfast, dinner, wherever you're sitting. Whatever you're eating, you can eat inside here. You are going to have 2 theater seats here. These are going to have illuminated cup holders on them, so it's not like the movie theater where you're sitting there trying to find a cup holder, and USB charging ports on them as well in the front. You are going to have a large couch that does pull under the bed on the back of this with nice large overhead cabinets as well too. Tons of large windows inside this, bringing a lot of natural light. So if you do want to keep the lights off, save power on your battery, just keep the windows open. You'll bring in a lot of natural sunlight in this. You're going to have your Furrion soundbar and fireplace down below. So if you are going to do some late season camping, you can actually use the fireplace to heat this coach for you. A lot of people look at this here, wonder why they put a little lip on it. Well, your TV on this is actually recessed down into it. It's on a televator with nice large overhead cabinets. So to lift the TV up, you are going to have a switch right inside here. All you do is hold the switch, elevates the TV up for you. Keep the kids occupied if it's a rainy day out. You want to make sure that they aren't too distracted or upset. Set them down, put a movie on while you guys are kicking back, relaxing, playing cards at the table or playing a board game. And there you go, nice large TV. Can't beat that. Again, tons of storage around the outside of it. You are going to have a large microwave in this as well, so you can pop tons of popcorn. Or I know one of the big things that a lot of people do now is they make the cake in a cup. That's a great thing to have when you sit around the campfire or if you're making s'mores. One really unique feature to this that you're going to eventually start seeing across the line, look at the size of this oven, guys. Full residential oven. You can actually bake a turkey in there if you wanted to. And a large 4-burner cooktop on the top of this as well, so you can do tons and tons of cooking in this. Again, large cabinets all the way around. Even on the island here, you're going to get large storage compartments. Stainless steel sink with a nice residential modern faucet. Comes out. I can spray the camera guy here with it. You are going to have, again, pull-out drawers on this as well. And a nice residential refrigerator. You cannot beat this. Look at how many adult juice boxes you can fit inside there, guys. Bringing the kiddos with you, you are going to want to bring tons of snacks. Even if you're bringing the dog, you need a spot for dog food or dog dishes. Large storage compartment inside this. I mean, you can fit tons and tons of food in there. Whatever you're bringing with you can all fit inside here. Get solid surface countertops inside this as well, so you don't have to worry about burning or melting anything. And again, every space that they have for storage, they use it. You're going to have all of your main controls here, whether it's for your slide outs, all your ceiling lights, water pumps, hot water tank. It's all going to be controlled off of this panel. You're also going to have what's called an inverter in this. Now, that's something that's going to be a little bit newer because they're doing a 12-volt residential fridge. They give you an inverter so you can actually use it off the battery while you go down the road. Makes for a nice, easier trip. You don't have to worry about when you get to your campground, starting the fridge, waiting for it to get cold. You can keep it cold while you travel. As we head up this way, larger bathroom. You are going to have, again, tons of storage inside this, whether it's the medicine cabinet here, sinks, more storage back behind me here. You'll have the toilet as well, and then a large shower with a bench inside it. And now we'll head into the bedroom, guys. As you step into the bedroom, you'll notice you are going to have tons of bright lights inside here. You'll have a very, very large bed, king bed inside this with tons of storage underneath it. Again, at the end of the bed here, large storage cabinets. All the clothes you're going to be bringing with you can fit inside this, as well as more storage here with a washer and dryer prep inside it as well. So if you do plan on putting this on a permanent site and you want to put a washer and dryer in this to keep your clothes nice and clean, you can. And you can't beat that walk-in closet. Get the mirrors on it to finish it. Tons and tons of room inside there for all the clothes you're going to be bringing. They even give you shelves on the end of this. Again, guys, this is the 2021 Sanibel 3102. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our phone number here is 716-694-0188. This is part of the Buy Now, Camp Now package that we're doing. So if you guys did want to come in and buy a camper and take it home today, you certainly can. My name is Mason, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.